Good morning, dear students. So we was learning about the solid shapes and the plane shapes. There is a difference in that both, right? Now, plane shapes means what? It is totally plain. Now, this page you can take it is plain. Yes, so it comes in the plane shape. So it is in the rectangular shape. So it is a rectangular shape. But what is the difference in solid shape now? Solid shape means the shape which we can touch, on which we can feel. Okay, that is the solid shapes, or the shapes, it is an object where you can get the space inside it. Okay, now you can, I have one box, I will show you. Okay, this one mobile box is there. So this box, okay, so if we consider this now, if we takes up this only, so this is rectangular shape. It is a rectangular shape, but if we consider this full box, this we can touch or which we can feel. Okay, so this is called as the solid shape because it have a face, it has a corners. Okay, this you can see this corners, this plane faces, and it also having the height means this one, but plane shapes doesn't have the height. So three dimensions, we can say three dimensional shapes, it is called as the solid shapes. Three dimensionals means it has having the length, so this is the length. Okay, it having the breadth, so this one is the breadth, and this one is height. The main thing is height, which is in the 3D shape or the solid shapes. Solid shape is having the height also, and because of that it having the volume, or it is called as the space inside it. Okay, so which are the solid shapes given here? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. Okay, some examples are also given, or solid objects are also given here. Now cube means it looks like a square only because it faces a square in shape. Okay, it faces are having the square in shape, that is the cube. For example, here you can see, yes, dice. The next, cuboid. Cuboid means it faces looks like a rectangle. All the faces are in the rectangular shape. Okay, for example, all the boxes are here, it is given one milk box. Okay, so that is the cuboid. The next is cylinder. Cylinder means it having the two faces, that is plane faces, and one curved face. Okay, this is called as the curved face. Curved face means it is in the circular shape. Okay, so that is the cylinder. For example, our gas cylinder you can take from your kitchen. Yes, it looks like a cylinder. And this object, one drum is given, yes, it also looks like a cylinder. For example, your water bottle, yes, water bottle is having small that plain face downside, and upside also you have the plain face, right? And in between it having the curved shape, that is the cylinder. Next we will move to the cone, because it means it inside it having the space, and also it having the height, which is the third dimension of the solid shape. The next is the cone. Now cone means, yes, you can see here, you can see this is the plane surface, and this one is the curved surface. Okay, and it having one point here, that is the corner. Okay, now this cylinder is not having the corner, but this cone is having the corner, this one corner. Okay, so that is the cone. And what looks like this cone? Yes, birthday cap or the ice cream cone, it looks like a cone. Next is sphere. Sphere means, now you are going to say this is the circle. It is not a circle, it is under the solid shape, so it is the sphere which needs a space to keep. For example, if we keep the ball here, it requires some space, right? So this ball comes under the sphere. Okay, or the spherical shape. Balls looks like a spherical solid shape. Okay, so which solid shapes we learn now? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, and the sphere. Okay, let's move to this one. Solid shapes have faces, sides, and the corners. Okay, now I will going to tell you what is the faces, sides, and the corners. Okay, now first I have one box here. Okay, now this plane surface of any solid shape is called its face. It called its face. So this is the face. This plane surface of the any object or on any solid shape is called as the faces. Okay, so this is one face, another face, another face, another face. So it having, we will write the number here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 faces, this is also a face, so 5 and 6. Okay, so this is actually a cuboid. This one is the cuboid because it having the rectangular face. You can see here rectangular face. Yes, so this is the cuboid which having the 6 rectangular faces. Now cuboid having the 6 faces. This is called as the faces. This plane surface of any object is called as the face. Okay, then we will take the sides. Where is sides here? Now you can see this one is one side. Okay, then another side. Here you can see this is side. This is also side where the two faces meet. Two faces means this is one face and this is another face. So when these two faces are meeting together, it makes the side. So this is the side. Here also you can see this and this face meets here, so it makes the side. Another one you can see here, this face and this face meets here and it makes the side. So let's count the sides here. 1 2 3 4. So this 4, it means downside also we are having the 4. Yes, so 4 and this 4 8. Then next 9 10 11 and 12. So this cuboid is having 12 sides, or it is also called as the edges. Sides or edges. Edges also you can say, or you can say the side also. Understood? Face. This is face. Plane surface is called as the face. Where the two faces meet, it makes the side of a solid shape. It makes the side of a solid shape. And then we will move to the corners. Now what is the corners here? Yes, same like over what in the plane shapes we studied about the corners. If we draw the square or the rectangle like this one corner, 2 3 4, like all this rectangle and the square is having 4 corners, right? So like this, here also we have the corners where these 3 sides are meeting together. This is one side, this is another side, and this is another side. So where the 3 or more, or you can say 3 or more sides are meeting together, it makes the corner, or it is also called as the vertex. Corner, or it is also called as the vertex. So this is one corner. Okay, 3 faces also meets here. This face, this